Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Life360 application. To change your profile picture on Life360, first of all, locate the Life360 app on your app drawer and launch it open. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the gear button at the top left. This will bring up the settings menu where you need to select Account. Tap on your name at the top and then click on the camera icon right under your profile picture. You can then take a picture from your device's camera roll or select a photo from your device's gallery. To do so, tap on Choose from Library and then select a picture from your device's camera roll and tap on Choose. Now click on Save at the top right, which will then save the change, and your profile picture has now been changed. Your new profile picture will appear in your circle and everyone will see your fresh look. If you found the tutorial helpful, like, share and subscribe for more. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.